This is the elevator here at Brooktree Office Park Building, 5,500. Here in McCandless, Wexford, Pennsylvania. We have hand sanitizer in here. Nice looking hat for this guy. There's a 988 phone, except it's not connected to the phone box. Get yourself a cab view. Not bad over. Could be better. On the meal break from work, so I'm gonna stop over and grab a quick video. This section might be busy, so I'm gonna end the video once the elevator lands.